Hello everybody! Today we're going to unpack, take a close look and try on the Uniqlo Italian leather stitch belt. So let's go ahead and take a look. So this is a Uniqlo Italian leather stitch belt in black, and this one is in the medium length or size. And taking a look at the labels or hang tags that are attached to the belt. This belt is also available in dark brown, and giving you a look at the details that are on the hang tags. Okay, now let's go ahead and remove the hang tags by, of course, cutting off the string that's keeping them attached. And now taking a much closer in look at the details of this Uniqlo Italian leather belt in black. So you can see, of course, there is a protective sleeve on the pin of the buckle. So let's slide that off so we can have a much better look at its details. And on the reverse side as well. And of course, let's pop off the hanger that's attached to it. So hanger removed, we now have a much clearer look at this Uniqlo Italian leather stitched belt in black and in the medium size. So you can see that the metal hardware or stainless steel belt buckle has a satin finish to it. So you can see, giving you a look at that brushed satin finish to the buckle of the belt, and of course the belt loop or keeper, giving you a look at the overall construction front and back of the belt. And as we move right along the length of the belt, you can see the texture or grain of this Italian leather from Tuscany, and that low gloss or sheen to the belt. So you can see there is some level of bolstering to the belt right there, giving you some sense of its thickness. Now just giving you a look at the end of the belt as well, so the tip of the belt and the back side of it, and of course right there, giving you a look at the stitching details as well, as best that I can. So finely stitched, very close together, and with a pointed or semi-pointed tip or tail of the belt. And to give you a look at the holes of the belt as well. So for this M size belt, there are 5 holes in the belt. Alright, and to give you some sense of the overall flexibility and suppleness of the belt, just giving you that further out perspective as I handle and squeeze and bend on the belt slightly. So there is some stiffness to the belt. And of course, giving you once again another close-up look at the overall construction and design of this Uniqlo Italian leather stitched belt. And they're giving you a look once again at the overall design and construction of the belt. So just setting it on the tabletop to give you that full and clear look at the belt right there. And now let's go ahead and try the belt on. So let's tilt the camera or camcorder up and come right round. And of course, let's turn the screen around as well so I can see what exactly it is that I'm doing. So giving you a sense of this Uniqlo Italian leather stitch belt. Now let's try it on. So I do have a 33-inch size or circumference waist. So now I'm just looping or stringing the belt through the belt loops of my trousers, and now giving you a look. Remember, there are 5 holes to the belt, so I'm just picking that middle one, which seems to fit quite nicely. So that middle position of the 5 holes there on the belt. Now giving you a look at the back as well, and the overall fitment as I come in a little bit closer so you can see those details of the belt and how it wears on me. So you can see with that middle hole position of this M-size belt, the Uniqlo Italian leather stitch belt, you can see the overall fitment and design of this belt. So that's the Uniqlo Italian leather stitch belt. Thanks for watching and happy wearing!